Hello, welcome to this DAX tutorial, and today I'm going to take you through the DAX formula CROSSJOIN. So in a very straightforward and simple way to explain it, take for instance you have a company, ABC Limited. They have 5 branches across the country, and then each branch has a branch manager. So this is it. And then also they produce 4 products that have targets. So maybe these are in metric tons, the manufacturing company. So for each product, each branch is expected to sell about 100 metric tons of product A, 120 metric tons of product B, and like that. So maybe for your own analysis, you need to create a table like this, one that is going to take for each branch, and then all of the products and the targets. So this might be useful for you to now compare with their actual, right? So you want a table like this. So how do you go from these two tables to this type of table? The answer is CROSSJOIN. Okay, so let's get started. I already have put in the two tables in Power BI. So this is the branch table and this is the product table, right? And the formula is under home menu, modeling. Under modeling menu, you go to new table and whatever name you want to give the table. So I'm going to call it CROSSJOIN table. And I type in the formula CROSSJOIN branch, comma, products. So it can take as many tables as you have. It produces the cartesian product of all of the rows in each of the tables you specify inside the formula argument. And so once I do enter, instantly it generates the table that I've just mentioned. So you have now the table that has all of this, and with this you can be able to do some interesting thing. You can decide to do a filter where you put in the branch, and then you can decide to do a cluster bar chart or any kind of chart you like, where you're going to put in perhaps the products and the targets. Products. So if I have also the actuals, this would make good sense to also put the actual there and compare. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial on CROSSJOIN. It's an amazing tool to create something really interesting.